everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with an unboxing to share with you. I was contacted by this company called Tivisiy. They asked if I'd like to do a collab with them. I will leave all the links down. I also have a discount code which is crafty15. Again, I will leave that down below. I will leave the links to the products that I have chosen. So I had a look on their website. They do jewellery, they do wood carvings, they do these beautiful LED, which I'm really excited to share with you, LED lights that are wood carved. So yeah, I'm going to jump in and share what I've chosen. So I've got these gorgeous boxes. This is how they come presented. Like I said, they were lovely wrapped in bubble wrap. It took, from the time that I ordered to the time they arrived, was next to no time, and these have obviously come international as well. These boxes are just so awesome and great to use after as well, to recycle as well. So this is how it comes packaged. This is their beautiful design on their information card. So this is, so they've got a Instagram, TikTok account, they've got Facebook. I'll leave all these links down below so you can check them out. So it says, who are we? It says, HiPark is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we create is designed in-house by creative and detailed-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet, as well as wild animals, to support organisations to make this planet a better place, which is amazing. It says every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, which I mean, you can't ask for a better product, really. I'm more for like trying to help raise awareness of things like this. So yeah, I definitely I'm excited to see what the products look like. Like I said, I've not had anything from this company before. But this is the first thing. So I tried to choose a variety of different things so I could show you what they have. So this is the first thing. Comes in this gorgeous hessian bag. Again, that's the company of the name, Tivisiy. And I chose some earrings. I love, when I saw these on the website and they had bee ones, I was like, yep, definitely. So these honeycombs are all out of wood. I'm just feeling them, guys. They feel like sturdy. They're definitely made well. I love the charm. Again, that's used on there. It's lovely detail. I'll try and put that over there. Lovely detail on that charm. But like I said, they had loads of different, they had rings on there. Loads of different earrings. But I just loved these ones. And they're so different. I've not seen anything like this before. So they're the earrings. So that's those. And then chose some wood carvings, which is these. And these all hand carved. I just love the detail. So this is what this one looks like. And again, they had loads of different ones of these. I just thought that was just so cute. So that's that one. Then chose these two, which is cute little bunnies. I thought it'd be great to have out at Easter time or any time you could have these out. Again, these are all hand carved. You can see the detail on there. They've got cute little flowers painted on this one. So that's the larger one. Then you got a little one. Again, detail of the flowers. Really pretty. Yeah, I like those. I definitely, yeah, like those. So that's, like I said, look, you can see how much packaging they've put in there to make sure they reached me safely. So that's the first box. Then these I can't wait to share with you. So again, they come nicely packaged, and these are LED ones. So I got this one. Oh wow. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to look at the detail on there. Look at those. This is all recyclable wood. This is the back. Feels really sturdy. Yeah, it's very sturdy. And then look at the detail. So this is all different pieces of wood. So the outline is a wolf. Yeah, my boys chose this. They like this. So, and then you've got different layers inside, and it's various different colours. So you've got the grass on his paws, and then in the background, look, they've got a little wolf there carved out, and then another big wolf and the moon. The detail on these is unreal. I will show you as well these lit up as well, so you can see what they are like, all lit up. Like I said, it's, yeah, so I will show you what they look like lit up. So that's that one. This one, so this is the second one I got like this. Again, they put cards in all of them, so they're great to, like I said, recycle and things and use projects. And I just loved this one when I saw it on there. Again, keeping in the bee kind of theme. Look how pretty this one is. Again, really nice, sturdy. And the amount of layers. And then inside, it's got all these different flowers. You've got the beehive. It's just so much detail. And obviously when it's all lit up, you're going to see more of that. The leaves, the flowers in there. Yes, I absolutely love it. So that's the bee one. And then the last one I got, which lights up, and I'm going to try and show you. So it's a glass. I'm going to have to show you this part when it's lit up because you're not going to see it on there. But it is a cat. And then it comes with this frame. And that's how it stands up. So this would go, it just screws into there. And this is how it would stand on your cabinet or wherever you're going to put it. But yeah, I will show you once this is put in. I can't show you the actual image on here because you're not going to see it, but once I put this in and light it up, I will show you all it has on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go and check out their website. Like I said, all the links and the discount code, don't forget you got a discount code in the description down below. Go and check out their website, see what they've got on there. You definitely won't be disappointed. These are absolutely awesome. Yeah, the kids are going to love these in their rooms. And don't forget, they do all different types of jewellery. They have loads of different rings and things like that on there, and their wood carvings. Absolutely beautiful. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.